Hey y'all, it's Maxine, your favorite wine specialist, guiding you on your journey through fine wine. And it is Monday, but this isn't Monday Wine Q&A. Monday Wine Q&A will be taking a brief hiatus, and during this time I'll be coming up with some really good video ideas to be able to deliver to you upon my return. However, I need your help. If you try a wine, are interested in me reviewing a particular wine, any wine area that you want to learn more about, just any topic that you would like for me to cover, message me, DM me, comment below. Let me know. I would love to hear from you as I am cooking up some great video ideas for you guys. Also, let's keep in touch. Again, DM me, talk to me. And go back and watch some of the old videos that you may have liked. And the videos that you have liked or that you may have missed, comment below and let me know what you enjoy most about that video. Until we meet again, hold on, before I close, make sure that you all are still drinking good and living well and trying some really great wines. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Until we meet again, drink good, live well.